Welcome to Intro to Probability using Cookies. Cookies. Simple enough. Probability of getting a cookie that you like, for instance, chocolate, versus the total number of cookie options that we have. In our particular option, we have 12 different cookies. 12. How many do we have that are successful? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chocolate chip cookies. So we're just going to take that information and plug it into our formula. So we've got probability of getting a chocolate chip cookie over total types of cookies, which is going to be 4 over 12, which is going to come down to be 0.33 or 33%.